I am going to be very, very honest, guys. It is not easy to grow on YouTube. So, before you start your YouTube channel, or you just started your YouTube channel, please make sure you watch this video. This video is going to be of help to you. It is going to help you really well. So the honest truth is, it is not easy to grow on YouTube. A lot of people started their YouTube many years ago, and they have not been able to reach the requirement. And some persons started few months and they have reached the requirement. I've seen someone that started her YouTube journey, like her YouTube, in a month, and she was able to got monetized in a month. So that's it. That's how YouTube work. But see, guys, let me be very honest. It is not easy to grow on YouTube. Okay, it is not. So before you start up your YouTube channel, you need to condition your mind that this is going to be investment. It is going to be your investment. You're going to invest your time, you're going to invest your reasoning, your creativity, you're going to invest your money. Yes, you're going to invest your money because you are going to buy that. You will be buying data to post. So you are going to you're going to see your YouTube as something that is going to be investment. So you are going to invest your money, your time, your creativity, your everything in it. And you are going to also take your mind off it. In as much as you're investing, in as much as you're trying to grow your YouTube, in as much as you're trying to, push, you're going to take your mind off it. Because do you know why? YouTube can be very, very challenging, and it can cause you to be depressed. Yes, let me be very honest. YouTube can cause you to be very, very depressed because it takes a lot of work. And when you work tirelessly, you work earnestly, you work so hard, and you don't see the results, it can break you down, it can get to you. It is very, very heartbreaking. So that's why you are going to take your mind off it. If you really want to grow on YouTube, you want to do your YouTube, you want to grow, you don't want to break down, you just want to succeed, you're going to take your mind off it. That's why I just say, let me just make this video so that in case you just started your YouTube channel and you're thinking of giving up, no, why are you going to give up? You're not giving up. Please do not give up. It is not easy to grow on YouTube. It is not. First, you can create a video and post it. Your video will not get any views. Your video will get like 1 view, 2 views, 5 views, 10 views, 12 views, 20 views. It may not even get views at all. Talk more of getting watch hour. So you see, you're going to feel very bad. See, that's not the end of the world. You just started. Even if you've been on YouTube for years, don't give up. Just take your mind off it. In as much as I know a lot of people are doing YouTube to make money, like me. In as much as I like YouTube, I like doing YouTube, I'm also doing it so that I can make money. I can help myself and help my family, okay? But you also need to take your mind off it because it can break you down. I know what I'm saying. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you be eligible to benefit everything on YouTube. Before you be eligible for monetization, because YouTube have first and second stage. The first stage is where you need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour before you be able to be accepted into the first stage where you can benefit from your life. Then the second stage is where you need 1,000 and 4,000 watch hour so that you can make money from your videos. Okay, you can make money from AdSense, you can make money from Google, you can make money from your artists, the artists that are shown in your videos, you can make money there. So the honest truth is, it is not easy. It is not easy. It takes time before people get to know. It takes time before you get genuine audience. Do you know sometimes people that subscribe to your channel may not watch your video again? Yes, they may not watch your video again. That's why you just need to take your mind off it. You need to be ready. You need to be mentally stable. You need to be emotionally stable. You need to be spiritually stable. Like, guys, you need to be stable if you want to do YouTube. If you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to do YouTube, you want to stay long on YouTube, you don't want to just start your YouTube, you just end it, you just leave it. YouTube is a gradual process. You just don't rush it. You have to take it very, very easy if you want to grow on YouTube. So that's why I say, let me just make this video, okay? If you want to start up your YouTube channel, first I will encourage you, if you want to start up your YouTube channel, first of all, make research and know how YouTube operates, okay? Know how to create video, know how to post video. But I will always tell you, do not allow your videos, do not keep waiting until your videos are perfect before you start posting. But there are some necessary, the basic things that you need, which are: make research on apps that you need, make research on how to edit. It's not even must that a lot of people are not editing their videos nowadays. Yes, just try different things, and see the ones that work for you. Okay, you can start doing those ones. Okay, so just make research and know the necessary things. Know how to use hashtags. Okay, know how to use trending hashtags. Know how to copy links, how to include links in your description box. Know how to do the necessary things on YouTube before you start up your YouTube channel. This will really help you. Okay, but you have to just calm down, because sometimes on YouTube, your videos, you can post the video, your video will do so well, then next video it will not do well. This is how YouTube work. You just need to take it easy. You just need to calm down. You just need to take it easy. Okay, just see, let me tell you, YouTube is worth it. It's worth it. It takes hard work. You can be monetized and you still not make money on YouTube. That's the honest truth, because you're not working. If you want to make money on YouTube, you need to work, guys. Like, you need to work very hard. So you just need to take it easy. If not, YouTube is going to break you. YouTube is going to break you. But do you know why it is very, very good you start up a YouTube channel? YouTube channel is going to help you. Start up a YouTube channel. It will really help you. Okay, it will make you bold. It will make you'll be able to speak. Okay, imagine you create a video, you post, thousands of people watch the video, millions of people watch the video. Just imagine they will watch. You understand? So it is very good. It is going to help you. It will change your mindset. It will change your reasoning. It will change a lot of things about you. But just take it easy. It is not easy to grow. Even if you are monetized already, you don't make money from your YouTube. You don't make money from your channel. You don't make money from your videos. Take it easy. Take it easy. Instead of giving up, take a break. You can take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Take a break, okay? But don't give up. Take a break and come back. Come back better. Take a break, okay? So guys, I'm like, let me just make this video, because it's not easy to grow on YouTube. I've seen a lot of creators, they'll be like, YouTube is on easy mode, do this and that. Most times it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It is not easy to start up a YouTube channel and grow your YouTube channel, to the point that you will now have a lot of audience that will always watch whatever thing you post, whether interesting or not. So don't give up. I encourage you not to give up. So take it easy. Just make sure you share this video so that a lot of people get to see this video. Okay, and be ready. Just be prepared before you set up your YouTube. But start. I encourage you to start. Okay, so guys, let me just share this. Please, if you haven't joined the family, join the family. Okay, let's be besties. Here on my YouTube channel, I talk about skincare, I do product review, and also share tips on how you can grow your own YouTube account. If you have any question in regards to any of this, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will attend to you. Yes, I will attend to it. Okay guys, make sure you like the video. It will help YouTube to push out my video, and it will go a long way for me. So guys, see you on my next video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Bye guys.